Welcome to the second episode of a dynamic web demo of the standard way of AJAX controlling your shopping cart without any custom.NET code. And this part will be about how to call this hidden page that we had in part 1 and how to interact with it and send and receive information. I've created a products page, which is a product list. I've created a product with a price, and inside here I have modified the add to basket link so that it's actually a JavaScript method add to basket with a page ID and a product ID. And if we dig into the scripts of this page and try to see how it interacts, try to go to the backend and fire up this small JavaScript method. We see here I sent add to basket 2 arguments. I have hard-coded the page ID to be this AJAX page, the hidden page, which is always ID 3. The product ID that is sent to this AJAX page, and with the cart command add. It could be remove, it could be anything that the cart understands, but this way we'll have add. I add the master template XML here. It's not necessary because actually I'm rendering the cart in another step because when you create this it's actually redirecting, so it would be more properly writing it this way. I tried not to cache the page. It's very important because if you cache the page, the browser caches the call, and that means that it won't actually get rendered the right way. If that succeeds, I grab the HTML, which is pretty much the wrong way of doing it, and then I create a AJAX, another AJAX method, which is calling the AJAX page only with the template parameters, no cart commands, because this one is actually filling out or adding the product to the cart, and this one renders the cart so that I get the input. And again, no caching, and the data type is HTML, which in a proper situation also could be XML, so that you can pass the XML. But for simplicity, I tried here to render it as HTML and just output the HTML inside a basket div. So that's pretty much the JavaScript function. So on the page I need this div, and I place that in the page template for the front end. Let's try to dig into that one. I have that inside here. It's running on the default page left, and just for demo purpose we can see it here. We have below our DW content, we have the basket. So when I stand here on my product page and add this to the basket, you actually get the basket rendered below here. And this is fetched from the AJAX calls. So if I just continue click, I can actually fill out the amount and the price is rendered each time. I can empty the cart and start all over. One thing I had to do would be hard code this next button, because the next button is actually rendered on the AJAX page. This next button should call a cart that is actually stepwise configured on this layout page. So that is pretty much what needs to be done. But this is how it works. And thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy.